Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a few things of what's happening and or not going to happen in the next couple of weeks. As of course, tech is winding down. All the companies are, going into holiday season mode. Employees going home, see their family for Christmas. Lots of little announcements that are done by companies, including Microsoft. First of all, if you're a Windows Insider, we've had a dev build that was released, and that is the last build for the year. So there will be no Windows Insider builds for the rest of the year. Nothing until 2025, the first week of 2025 probably. So don't go searching for any Canary builds or any other builds. There won't be any happening in the next few weeks. Also, remember that the bug fixing updates, the famous preview updates, aren't going to happen because they're falling right smack in the middle of, Christmas and New Year. So that is not happening. No bug fixes this month. If you're waiting for any fixes for something that may be going on your PC, ain't gonna happen once again. And basically, this is the way it actually is for December, end of December, for sure. Other things that will probably happen will probably winding down a lot on the updates for other software too. Like next week is Christmas and all. I don't expect that their Google Chrome will issue any updates for security for the week. So we might be a week or two without anything. If there is, it's because it's extremely important because they're probably just going to be winding down there too. It is that time of the year where people are just, going to enjoy being with family, friends, and just relax before we get back into another hectic year, 2025. 2025 promising to be very interesting once again with the fact that Windows 11, what's going to happen with the market share, we're going to be looking at that. How many PCs are being sold this Christmas? Is that going to, make an uptick in Windows 11 market share? That's going to be interesting to see in January and maybe February. And of course, all the things happening in Windows itself, with Windows 10 winding down, and then the Windows 10 operating system will have its own security updates that you'll have to pay by the end of the year for another extended 1 year. Windows 11 25H2 and all the Copilot Plus PCs getting recall. I think 2025 is going to be an interesting year, and it's one of those things that every year it just amazes me as to what we've accomplished, all that happened, and I got to say, I think not a year goes by without surprises and Microsoft doing something that people hate or not. It's the way it is, I guess. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.